Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set up instantly for proper email marketing. Okay, so I'm gonna buy a new Google Workspace email account, and then I'm gonna import 5 different email IDs all on a same domain into instantly. So the way we will do email marketing is that we will send only 30 email per email inbox every day, not more than 30. And before starting to send your first email, you should always warm up your inbox for at least 15 days. Okay, so we are going to use Instantly, which is the best platform out there in the market to do email marketing. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump in. So I'm gonna create a new Chrome profile, and there I'm gonna create a new account on Google Workspace. Okay, so before I do that, let me show the domain that I already bought on Cloudflare. It does not matter if you did not buy your domain from Cloudflare, if you bought it from, let's say, some other providers like GoDaddy or some other provider, that is also okay. But I'm going to show you here how to create multiple email IDs from one domain and how to import all of those into instantly so that we can start warming up at least. And after 2 weeks, we are gonna start email marketing. Okay, so after I added my mobile number, I got this passcode and I am in. So this email ID I'm gonna use as my Gmail or main account. And now I'm gonna create a new account from the domain, okay? So now let me quickly go to the Cloudflare account and log in. Continue with Google. We are gonna use, you can also watch this video in 1.5 speed if you think that would be more efficient for you. Here is Here are all the domains, and now I am gonna set up this one. Okay, so when you are running email marketing, you should never run the email marketing from your primary domain. Okay, so let's say your website is on a particular domain. Let's say this is my main domain. I will never run email marketing from this domain. I will buy other domain that resemble the main domain. Okay. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna create an account. If you click on for my personal use, it would be at gmail.com. Okay. And if you want email for your domain, you should always select this one. See here, no cost. This one, you have to pay around 180 or something per month for the lowest plan. Okay. I'm gonna always keep this email intact that I can always recover this account if something happens. Okay. So after you enter your name, set up your existing domain, continue with this method, domain name, next, next. Okay. So this is the first email ID that you want to create. This would also be your admin email ID. So by logging in, we will be able to create multiple users. So this would be your admin member's email ID. Okay. Okay. So now it is telling me to choose the plan. Okay. Now this is one of the notorious thing about Google Workspace is that they would recommend a costlier plan than what would suffice your needs. Okay. So first we are gonna click OK. We are gonna continue with this, and later we are gonna downgrade to the lowest paid plan. Okay, that should be okay. So now let me quickly add name, address, and payment method. Okay, so I have added those details, and now I will connect my Cloudflare domain with Google Workspace email system. Okay, so that's what it is prompting me to do. You can do this manually, or if you are logged in like me into Cloudflare in that same browser, you can also log in into Cloudflare, authorize, and it's gonna set up automatically. Okay, your domain is verified, activate Gmail, continue, proceed with activation. Okay, again, sign into Cloudflare. From here, confirm it that you have signed in. Okay, so while the Cloudflare setting is going on, let me show you something else. So you see, I have added this domain to Google Workspace already, okay? Those I'm putting into a star. This is also done. Team going on right now. Okay, so remaining 1, 2, 3. This 3 domain I'm gonna set up into Microsoft and not Google Workspace, okay? Because if you see the domain providers of most of the businesses in the US, they are basically from either Microsoft or Google. So you have a few email accounts from Google, and you should have a few email accounts from Microsoft, so that when we will send those emails to a Microsoft account, we will use our Microsoft account to send that email. If we are sending that email to a Google account, we will use our Google Workspace account to send it. and instantly we'll do that for you. Okay. But you have to have a few email accounts from Microsoft provider as well. And do not buy all the email IDs from Google Workspace. Okay. Okay. This verification is not being completed automatically. So we are going to switch to manual verification. Yeah, it is Cloudflare. Continue. So all you have to do is just add the values into your Cloudflare account on that particular domain. Okay. So I'm gonna come to my Cloudflare dashboard. I'm gonna click on it. Gonna go to DNS record. I'm gonna add record, and it is a MX record. Priority is 1. Mail server is SMTP Google. I'm gonna copy this. Come back here. Type MX record. This should be default value. We're gonna put @ mail server. The thing copied. Okay. Priority, I think it was 1, right? Priority to 1. That's it. We're gonna save it. And then we're gonna come back here, confirm. When you are done, let's do manual verification because the automatic verification is not working. Check the key. Okay. And this one is the text record. This is the name. This is the content. And I'm gonna come back to DNS record and the text record, name, what that is set up, this name, and this is being the contact. And I'm gonna hit save. After hitting save, we'll come back here and from. That's it. So now your domain and Google Workspace is connected. Now I'll go to Workspace and I'll add 4 more users so that I have total 5 email accounts from a particular domain. So from these 5 accounts, I'll be able to send 150 emails per day for cold emailing. Not more than that. If you do that, Google is going to figure out that you are doing that for marketing purposes, and slowly your delivery, email deliverability will decrease. Okay, now I'm gonna log in into the Google admin account. Okay, now I'm gonna go to admin console to add the user and change the plan that I have selected earlier. I'm gonna come to the billing, subscription, and this is business standard. We are gonna downgrade to, okay, why it is not showing the downgrade option? That's okay. So earlier I bought this plan for 160 rupees per email user. I don't know, like for some cases, Google shows the option. Sometimes, oh, it is not showing the option. This is strange. Let me check. Okay, finally I am able to find this out. Option is here. Go to mode, click on downgrade, and then continue to downgrade. And we are gonna choose annual plan actually. It's a little bit lesser, and then we are gonna use email marketing for long term. They should, so I'll be paying total 161 rupee for the first year per user. Okay, so total 10K in a year. I think this is the cheapest option with the best setup of email marketing. Okay, now I'm gonna add the user. So I already bought 5 users plan, and I'm gonna now add the users here, and I'm gonna show how to add those into. Okay, I'm gonna go to add user. As I told, that was my primary user. I'm gonna add some UAC name here so that people would feel comfortable opening our email. Okay, another name is Steven Sheikh, another name is Disha Sheikh, another name Sarah Sheikh. Continue. After each account is being created, you will send this sign-in instructions to the admin account. No, sorry, not the admin account, to the mail email ID. It is this Gmail ID. Okay. and you have to sign in once before you start using. And there you go. You have 4 emails from the 4 newly created email IDs. You'll add passwords. Okay, hit on next. Change password. Then, yeah, one is done. Let's go to the next one. Stand. Similarly, we are gonna repeat the process for all the other 3 emails. After doing that, I'm coming back. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay. Okay, now we have all the 5 emails. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emails are activated now. Now we are gonna connect these instantly, and we are gonna start warming them up for 2 weeks. There you go. Let me know if you want a complete breakdown of how to set up instantly. So here you can see all my email accounts. Okay, these are all email accounts from multiple domains that I have shown you on Cloudflare, and each domain has around 3, 4 email IDs. So here, as you can see, instantly also offered pre-warmed accounts. You can buy from them. If you do that, you don't have to do all this manual setup that I was doing, but that is only offered for Google Workspace and not for Microsoft. And the Warmup account, you can see these are sold out. But actually, many times it's available. It does not matter if you have budget, you can always go for pre-warmed account, or you can also go for done for you email setup where they will do everything, but I did not do it. So I don't know how things will work, how they are going to give you password and all. So for our case, we are going to go here, connect existing account. We are going to select Gmail, and we are going to choose option A. We are going to copy this. Okay. We'll come back to our admin panel. We will go to show security, access and data control, API control, API control, manage app access. We are gonna add configure app. We're gonna paste it, create search, and we will authenticate instantly to have access to all the settings of the Google Workspace. Okay, configured. Now we will go to instantly. We'll hit login. We'll log in one by one. Hit continue. And now connecting account connected. Again, we'll hit login. In the second one, continue. And now second one will connected. Similarly, let me set up other 3 and come back. Okay, so all 5 accounts are connected now with instantly. So we will come back where all the emails are. Yes. And we are gonna start warming them. Okay. MX TXT just like that. Let me start warming them up. Okay, all are now warming up, and you can see how many warm up emails are being sent. Okay, this is being warmed up. So every day, like 13 or 14 emails could be sent, and it, that is the whole point of warming up. So they have infinite amount of email account, and they will send emails to your account, and you will also they will also send emails from your account, and from other account they will send emails to your account. So it will be back and forth conversation for 15 days. That's what Warmup is. Okay? And you can also see the health score of this. Okay? So this has been added recently. So the health score is right now 0, but it's warming up. And Warmup emails are only 0. So maybe tomorrow it will start sending those emails. And Warmup, the definition, I'm saying that it will start the number, it will start to increase the numbers of sent email gradually, so that looks like a real business email that is used for real conversation. Okay? This is very important if you want to land in the box of your client. Okay. I will also add more email accounts into my pipeline using Microsoft. And if you also want me to create a video explaining the whole process, let me know in the comments. Thank you.